Hi, this is Micah with WTI, and this is my copy of Super Clean Superfoods. This is a great reference if you're looking to get into nutrition or to educate yourself about nutrition. It's great for that. The introductions walk you through what is a superfood, how to have healthy nutrition, how to have a balanced diet, and then it gets into the specific superfoods. So even if you already know a lot about nutrition, I think it's a really handy reference. Let me show you an example of how a page would look like. You see it's the way it's laid out. It's laid out what it is, what's in it, where is it from, and how to eat it. And it's got really easy to follow paragraphs and graphics. And so this is a really great reference for anyone who is interested in healthy eating and specifically superfoods. And that's my point of view.